Up long and hard. Next great action movie. This is Remote Control. Let's give them some love. Pause. Rewind. Play. Rewind. Fast forward. Pause. Rewind. Pause. Continue normally.
That was worthwhile.
What? I'm 96 years old.
And I'm Shia LaBeouf, but let's do this.
Giggle button. Pause. Rewind. Pause. Frame by frame forward. Play. Giggle button off.
You just hit me with your whip for no reason.
That's for Transformers 3.
All right, Dad. We gotta break into this vault to find that cure for erectile dysfunction.
Edible underwear button on.
I'm glad we packed rations.
These are just Hanes.
Oh.
It's Fruit of the Loom, but not necessarily what I was thinking. Wow.
Let's go.
A door.
A door. Thought I went through it already, but...
I know, but I had to say something about it.
Right, okay.
Product placement.
I think that door came from Lowe's.
I believe you are right. Look at the fine craftsmanship.
And I have no idea how to get through it. The security is foolproof.
Oh, there's no way. We'll have to go find another.
Pause. Skip forward 3 chapters.
Just take the pill.
No!
If you don't take the pill, you won't still be a sex symbol.
Pause. Ben Yoda button. Andy Dizzy button. Play.
Just do it.
Take the pill. I win.
That's fine.